How to block Minecraft. A parent's guide to limiting game time. Visit ht-vector.com. Click on Products and select HT Family Shield. Download HT Family Shield. Install the app on the computer where you want to block or limit Minecraft. Open the app, create an account, and complete the setup. After that, you're ready to manage everything remotely. From any device, open a browser and go to family.ht-vector.com. Log in using the account you created. Navigate to Rules, App Blocking. Open the drop-down menu, search for and select Minecraft, then click Add to include it in the custom list. To block Minecraft completely, choose Block. To limit access, choose Limit, then adjust the max time and/or set the schedule. Click Apply. Your changes will take effect immediately, and Minecraft access will be controlled based on your settings. HT Family Shield gives you plenty of options to manage computer activities. Use the Games category to block or limit hundreds of popular games. Combine categories and the custom list to create your safe and healthy rules. You can block all games and allow only trusted ones, limit game time, and much more. With HT Family Shield, you can get a complete view of your child's activities, websites, applications, searches. If you find an app or website in the reports that you want to control, you can do so directly from there. Try a 14-day free trial and encourage safe and balanced screen time to support your child's well-being.